So comparison lang, you have the old versus new. So without the black border and with the black border. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. For today's episode, I'll be showing how to install a cheek light or side indicator light dito sa 99 Civic. So this one is a replacement already. I put in a clear one. So if you see dito sa other side, ayan, yung original amber or yung orange light pa. Okay, so this is the tools that you will need. For the tools, I have a set here ng mga prying tools that I got before. So for the cheek light, ang gagamitin natin is this one. Yung parang flat lang siya dito, hindi siya yung parang fork type. Yan, the small part, hindi yung malaki. And ito yung original na nakakabit sa Honda Civic SiR natin. So this is Stanley. Ayan, amber siya. So this is the one we will use. Ito, Stanley din, pero clear. Ayan, so size-wise, it's the same. Medyo iba lang dito kasi may parang border tong amber na black eh. This one, clear siya all throughout. So, but in the inside, same lang din. It says Stanley. Well, of course, ito yung napalitan na natin. This is for the right side, this is for the left side. Pero same lang siya eh, oh. Although I noticed itong clip, and I don't know if you see it in, itong clip sa amber, medyo pasok siya. So, I don't know, kaya siguro mas madali alisin to versus the clear one or the new one. Tignan mo yung clip niya. Ayan, medyo labas siya versus the orange one. Ayan, so not sure if nagmamatter yan. Baka mas mahirap i-pry ito dahil bago. So, yun, that's it. Let's install it. Okay, so let's do this. Actually, may hawak akong camera but I'll show you guys gaano kadali siya kahit may isang kamay lang. You have this space here. Ayan, yung parang gap. So, dyan nyo i-insert yung prying tool nyo. Actually, hindi naman kailangan ng prying tool. You can use a pen or any flathead screw. Dahan-dahan lang para hindi ma-scratch yung paint. Okay, let's go. Ayan, okay. Ganun lang kadali. So, yan. Once it's out, iti-twist mo lang siya counterclockwise. Okay. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. Exposed yung bulb na o yung LED once you take this off. Okay, so on muna natin yung light guys kasi nakalimutan ko anong kulay nito eh. I'm not sure kung iibahin natin yung bulb. Sige, let's see. This is yung yung in-install ko kanina. So I put an amber LED dyan. So ganyan yung itsura niya. So let's see ano yung color ng bulb dito. Ayan, tama nga. Para siyang white. We'll change that to an amber LED kasi clear yung lens natin. So hindi na siya, of course, hindi na siya amber pag ganito yung LED natin. Ayan. So let's place this clear white or basta white with this amber LED. So same size. Same size. Happy ako dito sa na to. I'll link it down below sa link para makita nyo kung saan nyo pwede ito bilhin. So yan. Ayan. Ano lang siya? Amber or orange. So, we can now put the clear lens para yung itsura niya. Ayun na. Diba? Better. Para ma-maintain yung amber na light niya. Okay. So, fairly easy naman. Pasok nyo lang siya ulit and then clockwise. Until it clicks. Ayan. From the front. Ayan. And then push. Ayan. There we go. With the light on, still maintain the amber color. Pero clear yung lens nyo. So, ito yung itsura niya pag naka-off yung light. Off natin. Ayan. Tadaan! So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. There, so for those who would like a reference number of the part, so this is the Honda 33851 S2H G01. And this is the part number for the clear lens. So that's it. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you.